Hey guys, Dr. Nelson here from Rising Sun Chiropractic and Southern Minnesota Weight Loss Center, talking about some of the dietary fads that we're experiencing, whether it's in the social media world, Facebook or wherever. Talking about keto. If you want to know the 101, it's everywhere, but it is essentially a diet that is primarily focused on fat as our primary energy source. Our body has a unique capacity in using either sugar or fat as energy systems. Now, if you consume too much sugar, you will still use fat as an energy, but it will not be the way your metabolism is structured. And so, without going down a huge rabbit hole, I will say keto we can think of right now as just a fat-based diet. Now, this can be amazing and life-saving for certain diseases like cancer, some brain-based diseases, epilepsies. There is excellent research about why fat-based diets do a great job at reducing the symptoms and even in some cases reversing the disease. But for a lot of us and what a lot of people are doing right now in a keto diet, we're using it to lose weight. The only thing I don't like about that is it immediately sets us up for a time frame. Because the one thing I will say about the keto diet is that it's quite strict. You have to be on point because if you eat too much sugar, you will not be in a ketogenic state and your body will go back to metabolizing sugars as your primary energy. And fat, then you're just eating a ton of it and it's not really doing the job it should do. But if you're dialed in and you're doing it right and you're in that ketogenic state, you often will have different kind of energy, you'll feel really good, but unfortunately for a lot of people it's short-lived and then we're back to our old habits and our old ways of life that got us in trouble in the first place. And so for some of the people out there that do this and stick to it and nail it and that becomes their new lifestyle, great. As long as they're monitoring their bloods and they're making sure that they are having a healthy use of the diet, it works really well. But I think it, from a weight loss strategy, doesn't often work so great because it requires such a difference from normal life as we would most people see it versus what the keto plan is that we usually get into trouble when we're done and we go back to bad habits and the pendulum swings the other direction and we're putting the weight on that we lost. And we're developing new other bad habits because now we're eating a lot more fat than we were and a lot more sugar than we were. And so, not to put this down because for some people it's life-saving, it can do a great job, but I think you have to keep in mind that if we are not following the idea of changing a lifestyle, doing a diet, whether it's keto or any other diet, ultimately has a time stamp on it that is going to get you back into old habits again. That's why here we really try to focus on a lifestyle change, implementing things that you can do forever to keep your weight in a healthy place. We want you to create a habit of life that is going to keep you in a healthy place for your life. So if you have questions about the keto, reach out. We'll be happy to do what we can to answer them. Otherwise, if you have questions about your health and creating a true lifestyle change, give us a call and we'll walk you through what that looks like. Have a great day.